If you publish a lot of content online, you may wonder if there is an easy way for you to tell your stories with a rich set of media in the article to keep your readers on your story page. What we have here is a very unique tool that we call Smesh Media Infotips, or Infotips for short. You can use it to enrich your story instantly and with very little effort. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3, even if you are not a programmer. First, go to deepwidget.com and sign up for an account. Once you have confirmed your registration in the email, log into Sandbox so that you can see how the Infotips widget works on your very own web page. Enter the URL of your web page. You should see your web page showing up. Next, we're going to set up your Infotips. For this, click Add Widget at the upper left, and you will see a whole gallery of widgets displayed on the screen. Just click on the one labeled as Smesh Media Infotips. Now your setup is complete, and you are ready to see what Infotips can do for your article. Now highlight or double-click a word on the page, and a tooltip will show up with all kinds of media related to the text that you just selected. This is the default search result for the word you specified. Sometimes you may find the results a little off. This can be easily remedied by telling Infotips what area to search for. To do this, just click on the Edit button here to bring up the configuration page. Enter some keywords relevant to your article, then save. If you try the in-text search now, you should find it returning much more relevant result. What I've just showed you is a kind of automatic search, and you don't have to do anything to supply the media. However, there are situations where you would prefer to add the media content that you want, and I will show you how to do that now. To add your own content, change the page from User Mode to Admin Mode by clicking on the green button at the bottom left. The Admin Mode allows you to add media to your article, and the User Mode lets you test the media. Highlight or double-click a word of interest and select Plain Text out of the drop-down list. Type a test message and click Publish. Toggle to User Mode and refresh the page. Mouse over the word and verify the tooltip containing your text shows up. Next, we will try adding a video to another word. Switch back to Admin Mode and highlight a word of interest. Select YouTube out of the drop-down list. Paste the YouTube video ID, which can be found in its URL or embed code, into the Media Spec field and click Publish. Toggle to User Mode and refresh the page. Mouse over the word and watch your video clip. Congratulations! You have successfully placed a text description and a video to an article to enrich your story while enabling the reader to stay on the same page. You can do the same using many other types of media, such as images, rich text, tweets, maps, live stats, charts, and etc. The possibilities are virtually limitless. So far, the media you've added can only be seen inside the Deep Widget sandbox. Now, I will show you how to make it appear on your live web page. First, you will need to add a small piece of code to the HTML of your web page. Click Get Code here and copy its contents. Paste it just before the closing body tag of the HTML. This process needs to be done only once. This means that you can go back to the sandbox to change anything you want without having to do this setup again. From now on, whenever you are ready to make your changes go live, all you need to do is click Publish. And that's it. Go to your webpage and enjoy reading and browsing the page that you have just modified. So you can see here that it is really easy to add all kinds of media to your plain text article. We also give you a way to generate ad revenue in the process. If you would like to know more about it, please visit us at smesh.net.